Between 84 and 92% of Canadian frontline unregistered healthcare workers in long-term care are women, with a great proportion of them being women of color. They routinely face low wages, chronic stress, and precarious employment, and are often subject to gender and race-based harm from colleagues, family members, and residents in long-term care. My name is Kim Lopez, and I'm a researcher in the Department of Recreation and Leisure Studies. My research helps others by making visible the inequities that exist in long-term care policy. My research is inspired by my mother, who came to Canada from the Philippines and had a career in long-term care, and it was through her experiences and the experiences of others that we can see that there are many ways that the Canadian long-term care home system can be improved. Supervising graduate students is one of the most meaningful parts of my job. It's such a pleasure watching them draw on their passions to drive meaningful research that's impactful to the world. I was drawn to the University of Waterloo to do my research because of the amazing Department of Recreation and Leisure Studies. My colleagues are top-notch in their fields and do so much for the communities that they serve.